Hey guys, what's up? Satej here. Samsung Galaxy A70 price has been revealed in China and Samsung has started the pre-order of this device with the price tag of yuan 2999, roughly translated to rupees 31,000, and the 8GB RAM model is listed at yuan 3299, and that's roughly translated to rupees 34,000. Considering this, the price in India is likely to start around rupees 31,000. The Galaxy A70 has been added to the Samsung India website, which I will link below in the description. If you want, you can check that out. Earlier this week, Samsung announced the sale of the A70 will start from April 26th, that is 26th of this month. Coming to the specs of Samsung Galaxy A70, you all might already know the specs, but if you don't already know, then it's 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U display with 20:9 aspect ratio. It is powered by Snapdragon 675 octa-core processor paired with 6GB or 8GB of RAM option, and the internal storage being 128GB with an option to expand via microSD card. The highlight is a triple camera setup that has a 32-megapixel primary sensor with f1.7 lens, an 8-megapixel with f2.2 ultra-wide lens, and a 5-megapixel depth sensor with an f2.2 lens, and 32-megapixel on the front for selfie with f2.0 lens. Samsung A70 comes with a Samsung Knox security system, that is a defense grade system, and it has on-screen fingerprint scanner and comes with 4500 mAh battery with a 35W super fast charging. It will come with Android Pie out of the box with Samsung One UI, and the thing that is unknown is the Gorilla Glass, whether it's present, or if present, which version does it come with, and a lot such minute things are missing. Concluding it, I think the package is really good and someone who is an avid fan of Samsung will be really fulfilled, but the price is just on a higher side. If they could launch at somewhere around 25 to 28k, then it would be great, considering you're not getting a 700 series Snapdragon processor. Comment below your thoughts, and if you really liked the video, then smash the like and subscribe as well. See you in another video. Peace out.